Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, official, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this is an experiment to see how this phone does a video, and the usual suspects here, the alien heads, they are here. So I thought I would do a video showing what this phone can do. I was watching Amazon Prime on it. I was looking at gold and silver and oil prices, uranium, palladium, rhodium. Not sure what the hell rhodium is. Looking at the weather. It works great with my T-Mobile device. And I'm charging the little power brick that came with it. And as soon as I get 15 bucks to spare, I will activate this phone and make it my own number. So anyway, I got the usual talking people on the sidewalk below me. I can never have any privacy with my door open. It drives me crazy. I'm going to go out and feed the kitties and check the mail. I know I should have 2 packages in today for Berg Unboxing. One of them is for Kathy. And Kathy told me she bought me some very heavy item for my Valentine's Day present. It's so heavy I don't think I can take it on the bus and BART. So Patty's going to have to go up there with me, load it into the van, and bring it home. I don't know what it is, but she said you might break it. It's that heavy. So what she bought for me, I have no idea. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I didn't go to the hospital today because my knee's acting up, and I have a victory. The doctor that said, I don't believe you're disabled. They're going to replace her and give me a new doctor. If you don't have confidence in your doctor, there's no point in seeing the person. And I've never had a doctor tell me that. I get enough of that crap from trolls like the evil MV. And I talked to them about getting my medical records, physical copy. I don't want the whole medical records in my house, but can I access them? I'm going to do a video showing you the stack of paper medical records for people like MB. Why are you lying about your medical condition? I'm not lying. I woke up this morning, my knee was swollen, I couldn't stand on it. And so tomorrow I go to the ER. My right foot right now is numbing up as I'm sitting here because I've been in this chair too long. All right, have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool, as the case may be. Hope you're staying warm and dry. And it is very sunny out there, but a little nippy as I've got the door open. And Fuzzy's on the bed, little girl's on the bed, and Fluffy's in his cat bed. So there's your indoor kitty report. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.